Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's roleplay is gonna be about the rainstorm. So I'm using my pen right now, my iPad pen. So yeah, let's just get started. Don't mind how I'm in the post office. I needed to get the free gift. They're so cute. Look at this cutie. So yeah. Okay guys, pretend this is the remote because she doesn't have a remote. So yeah. Oh my god, what is what is on this channel right now? Oh, breaking news. Storm will be hitting us in 3, 2, 1. Please don't come out, don't go to anywhere, especially McDonald's. What? And yeah. So stay safe. And it's so dangerous outside, so yeah. Bye. I said bye. No, Dad is at McDonald's getting us McFlurries. I have to warn Mom. Let's go tell Mom. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And Sis is at college. At least she's inside, not outside the place. Dad is cooked. Mom, Mom, Mom. Mom, Mom, Mom. Oh yes, honey. Dad is out to go get McDonald's, right? Yes. And there's a rain disaster coming. Oh, that explained the fog. Explained the fog over here, like the fog. Here. Oh. Oh my god. I have to call your dad. Yes, Mom, let's call him. Yeah, I should put this down. Let me call him. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, who could that be? Let me just check it. And why are you still here? The rain will start. And why are you still here? Because this is my home. Like, I eat everything. Yeah. Okay, well, let me just take this call. It starts raining. Oh my god, it's so cold in here. Yes! No internet connection. I just like to put this stuff in here. This is so cool. Oh my god. I can't see anything from the fog. Oh my god. What is his problem? I don't know, like, yeah. Well, you're an old lady. What are you doing? Oh, yeah, you're right. But I'm just gonna stay here, eat some donuts. I said eat it. I'm just gonna go here for shelters. I need to get home. It's freaking freezing around here. See someone dead. Oh my god. Is this someone dead? She's a child. I think I should. I think she's not that. She fainted. I'll just. Is she dying? Help her. Yeah, help me. She's a poor child. 2 hours later. Oh. She woke up. I know. This is so cold. I want to go back to my mama. Fine, stay in this box and you'll go back to your mama. Did she just disappear? I don't know. This town is weird. The whole world is weird. I'll just go. You seem freezing. Yeah, I am. Shut up. Ugh. He's still not answering. Oh my god. Who is that now? Is that a stranger? I don't know. I'm just gonna continue playing. I'll just open the door, Mom. Dad? Wait, put this face on him. Let me in. Where were you? Getting McFlurries. I was worried sick about you. Okay. I need to just go home, wear something else. Oh my god, it's freezing out there. I stayed 2 hours warming up a girl with an umbrella. She was a child, not a grown up. I got you McFlurries, yeah, so I'm just gonna put this, oh my god, guys. I'm gonna put this here. Let me just put this here. Who wants McFlurries? Me. Now you got McFlurries. You wasted my time on nothing. You're so useless. I won't. Don't mind. That was my brother. So whatever. Then they melted. Pshk. Ow. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, this is so annoying. Annoying. Okay, I'm crashing out. Oh, thank god they melted. I don't want my kids eating. And why is it 4 now? I'm charging it. Whatever. I'm literally charging it, guys. Why is it going down? Whatever. Just continue the stupid roleplay. I know. At least I came home safely. You can eat this. You ate it all. I hate you. You guys are just so stupid. I mean nothing, not stupid, but whatever. Okay, guys. Bye.